Okay guys, so first thing first, let's talk about EC2 and when you will log into EC2. EC2 is a very important service, right, in cloud computing. You already know, right? It talks about all the servers, right? You can have Windows server, you can have Linux server, which and now they are also supporting Mac system, okay? So you can create all of such your servers in AWS, right? So EC2 is Elastic Cloud Compute. EC2 is Elastic Cloud Compute. So what I will do in this section, I will also give you the notes about all the services. Okay. So I will give you the handwritten notes so that you can understand each things very easily. Okay. So EC2 instance, and it covers Windows, it covers Linux systems, right? Almost all flavors, and now it is supporting Mac system also. Okay, so this is, and its full form is Elastic Cloud Compute. Okay, so when you log into your AWS console, you can go to services, then compute and EC2. You will get this kind of a screen. Okay, so on the top, the first thing is EC2 Dashboard. Okay, if you see, this is the first thing, EC2 Dashboard. So what I will do here, I will suggesting you like why it is useful, right? So we already talk about what are the regions, right? So it will give you the region idea and what is the EC2 status for your region, right? So if you see here, right now I have 0 instance running. So if I open this, it will confirm the same. Right now I am not using any Elastic IP address. There are 2 key pairs which I am using right now. Okay, so it give you complete wholesale idea so that I can check what is the actual status of my EC2, right? Then there is no placement group, there is no snapshot available. Okay, if you are getting the new things, don't worry about that. We will discuss about all the things in detail. But what I mean to say, what this dashboard is giving you, right? Then it's not only about this. If you go down, you can launch instance. You can see what if there is any event schedule in your region. So there is no schedule event right now. You can use the tools like Cloud Android migration to simplify, and if you want to migrate a machine. So this is just suggesting, like AWS suggesting like what you can do. Okay, so what are the other services you can try. So this is also giving you that idea. Then it will give you your zone status, right? What is zone? These are your zones, right? So if you talk about, like, there are 6 availability zones right now available in North Virginia region. So you can see that how is their performance. Okay, so this dashboard is giving you complete status, right? And then if you want to see more, you can go to service health dashboard. You can have a look on overall services of AWS. Okay, like this. Okay, so all the things are right now working perfectly fine in AWS, so that is fine. So this is, now I hope you got some idea what is the dashboard and why it is useful. Okay, in the next video we will see how to launch the instances.